I actually cleaned out this purse a little bit because there were some things in here I was not comfortable with. So everything is G-rated. I'm Gigi Gorgeous and I'm ready to spill it. So I chose to bring this one today because it is new and I went on the website and it was just a complete spontaneous purchase. My handbag is everything. I've always been a handbag girl. I feel like you can have like a whatever outfit. Like today, this dress is courtesy of Amazon. And I have this gorgeous bag, which is a total splurge, but I feel like it makes the outfit. Okay, so without further ado, let's just go through everything in my purse. My hairbrush is the first thing in my purse. This is the Wet Brush Pro. I know my hair is not wet right now, but it just like glides through my hair really nice. My next thing is my passport. If you're going international and someone's like, hey, do you want to go to London? Duh. Oh my God, this is weird. Speaking of London, I have 2 embroidered patches. That's so weird. I actually don't know why these are in here. The weirdest item in my bag, that Baywatch bathing suit, so it makes your legs look super long. You could run in slow motion. You never know when you're gonna hit up a pool. So I always keep a bikini or like a one piece in my purse. Really cute color. Make you look tan because it's neon. Ooh, another recent purchase of mine. I stopped by Gucci. I saw these earrings. Get ready to die. They say loved in rainbow in Gucci. Oh, I could die. So cute. Next, 2 things that were sent to me, which I'm really excited about. The Kim Kardashian KKW Body fragrance, which is in the shape of her body. I realized that our boobs are kind of similar. Like when I look down at my boobs and I'm looking down at hers, our nipple placement is like really similar. What's up, Kim? Her next one is the Kimoji Peach, which she also sent to me, and this one smells really, really good. Sorry, just gotta douse myself really quick. And this, okay. So this is like the cutest packaging I've ever seen in my life. Although I do wish it was bigger. I'm gonna run out of this in like 2 days. Let's get real. I have 3 makeup brushes just randomly in my purse. This is the Tarte kind of like kabuki brush. I love this for touch-ups and also just for doing my makeup. It blends really well. This one is also from Tarte. It's their unicorn collection. It's so soft and the handle is really cool. It's like a unicorn horn. And then this one is for highlighter. This is the Morphe highlighting brush. I have my favorite Becca highlighter. This is in Moonstone. Let me just touch up real quick. Okay, we're good. I have a lighter from Willem, one of my favorite drag queens ever. I'm like a candle fiend, so I'm obsessed. Obsessed with Willem, obsessed with that. Oh, I have these rainbow clips from Pride. I just love little clips. I feel like 13 going on my real age. Oh, a tampon, just in case. You never know when you're gonna leak. This lip gloss from PatrickStarrr, Fashion Punch lip gloss. This is from his new summer collection. Patrick is a YouTuber as well. If you guys don't know him, you're just not living. And it's MAC. I love MAC. I have some sunglasses in here. I love this little sunglass pouch. It's super cute. You just like, these are my summer shades right now. You can actually see through them. It's not like so black where you're like, wait, where am I going? If I wanna like block myself from the world. And that is actually all that's in my purse. Can you believe? We're done. Thank you guys so much for watching Refinery29. To watch more videos, click here, and to subscribe, click here. Stay gorgeous.